Hi Cancer, welcome to another love reading of yours. This is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus for the remaining days of July 2020. Wow, I got this in your pre-shuffle. Too much drama. What's going on? Too much drama between you guys. You guys are just not being able to be on the same page. Time is fluid. You could have dealt with this energy or will be dealing with in the near future. What else? Feel free to switch the energies because you know some of the energies of the cards you can be flipped. And of course, if you need a personal reading, that lovely information is going to be down below. This is for my Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus in love for the remaining days of July 2020. Alright, who's procrastinating? There is a lack of communication. Someone's being non-communicative, procrastinating. This is just someone who's lacking confidence, okay? It's almost like someone, you could be dealing with someone, you know, who is so, they're so not specific. It's someone who's very, you know, they want everything perfect, okay? And they just never get anything done, okay? Because they're waiting for the right time, the right person, the right situation, the right words to say, etc., and they just never get anything done, okay? That's why they keep on procrastinating, okay? But this could also be you who is not investing into a situation anymore, or there's someone out here who wants to offer you stability, but they don't have the right approach to the stability, okay? Maybe they want to offer you something, but whatever they're wanting to offer you, it doesn't hold value, it doesn't hold security. What I see right now is that there's someone who's wanting to return to you, someone who ghosted you, or someone who was trying to be deceptive, okay? The liar, the cheater, someone who was highly deceptive, who was trying to ignore the connection, okay? They're coming back. Your challenge is to wait and see if you want to invest into this person anymore or not. Because this person could have been sneaky, okay? I don't... Sorry. This person could have been very sneaky. Okay, I'm not getting any shady energy here. But your challenge is going to be to wait and watch if you still want to continue investing into this situation or at this person or not, okay? But the challenge is to wait. The challenge is not to give up. Wait for this person to come in, okay? Although in your mind, I feel you're very clear about what you want. You have clarity, okay? You're coming out of a stalemate situation. You're making a decision. You're very clear in your head now. You're no more blocking your heart chakra. You're no more indecisive. And it's probably because there is something that's not moving forward, okay? The Wheel of Fortune is in reverse, and that's the reason for the reading. Probably this is negative, unexpected changes that are happening in your life, okay? And you just don't know what the fuck is going on. Probably you weren't expecting this person to come in, you know? And now that they're back and you're like, whoa, I was just very clear that I don't want them, or I was just very clear about something. What's going on? And now that's why your challenge is to wait. Don't be in a hurry. Wait. Maybe you'll just get the fruition of this relationship, you know? Maybe this relationship will just surprise you. In the past, I feel that there was somebody who was moving very slowly and cautiously towards you, okay? Or moving on very slowly towards stability. This is someone who's very hardworking. Well, the Knight of Pentacles is someone, you know, it's the slowest moving energy of the deck, okay? You know what I'm getting? That's your past. And that's your near future. Can you see the contradictory? Can you see the contradiction? I'm sorry. This is the slowest moving energy of the deck. That's the fucking fastest moving energy of the deck, okay? So there could be someone here who was moving slow pace, like moving their ass like super slow. And probably now that you're very clear about what you want, they're rushing in. They're like, no, wait. Let's talk. Because you're very clear on your mind because things were just not going your way. However, I feel you're very closed off to this person. You're in a state of shutdown. You're shutting down your emotions. You're very closed off. You're holding back from this person because you know this is a toxic relationship, or you know this person is toxic, and you're releasing this person. You're letting go of and detaching from this person. You could be feeling very tied, bound, and restricted to this person, okay? But you're letting this person go. And this person, they're very happy. I feel this person with the Nine of Cups, this person could be someone smug Or this could just be someone, okay, they're very happy to come back to you. You're like their emotional fulfillment. You're like their wish come true, okay? But again, the sad part here is that I feel this is a recurring situation, okay? Someone is hell-bent on not letting this situation end. That's exactly who this person is who's returning to you. That's why your challenge is wait. Do you still want to invest in this? Take your time. Don't be impulsive. Don't make a reckless decision. Because you're very clear, like I said, right? Because things clearly did not move forward with this person, okay? Yeah. But now you're shut down. You're shut down. You're releasing this person. You have no intentions of being with this person, is what I'm getting. But the problem here is that this is a situation that's going to reoccur again and again and again, okay? Because there is someone here, one person out here, who is determined not to end this connection, okay? So you don't want this, you're holding back, but they want this. You could have been in a stalemate, like I said, right? You could have been like, you know what, like, do I want this? Do I not want this? Do I want this? Do I not want it? You could have been stuck for a very long time, okay, in this position. But I think you are finally very clear. You've removed the blindfold and you've made the tough decision. So that's what I have for you, Cancer. Let me know if this reading resonates. But there is definitely someone who's got trust issues and there's over-inflated egos, okay, is what I get here. That's why things are not moving forward. You're in your ego, they're in their ego. There's a lot of arrogance you're getting, and someone's just shut off emotionally. They're just shut off emotionally. That's what I'm getting for you, Cancer. I hope this reading resonates with you. Leave your comments below and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.